Are you an avid reader with a passion for books? Did you know that you can make money online by selling books? In this video, we'll show you how to get started selling books online, from finding inventory to delivering high-quality service. First, you'll need to determine which books to sell. Consider which genres are in high demand and which books are popular or hard to find. Next, you'll need to take quality photos of your books and create listings on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Books. When you start getting orders, you'll need to package your books carefully and ship them promptly to your customers. With these tips and tricks, you can start making money online with your love of books by selling them on popular online marketplaces. Thanks for watching. For more information on how to make money online, visit our YouTube channel, Bayt Bucks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.